If you're eating less, trying to be healthy, and still not losing weight, the real problem may not be calories. It may be the foods you're choosing. Some foods quietly spike insulin, slow your metabolism, and lock your body into fat storage mode, even when portions seem small. In today's video, I'll reveal 10 very common foods that secretly block weight loss, and most people eat several of them every single day without realizing the damage. Food number 6 will surprise you, because it's often seen as healthy, yet it's one of the biggest fat loss traps out there. If you want to burn fat faster, reduce cravings, and finally see real results, this list is a must-watch. Number 1. Sugary breakfast cereals. Sugary breakfast cereals are one of the most misleading foods when it comes to weight loss. Even products marketed as whole grain, fitness, or heart healthy are often loaded with added sugars and refined carbohydrates. These cereals digest very quickly, causing a rapid rise in blood sugar and insulin shortly after eating. When insulin spikes early in the day, your body is pushed into fat storage mode, which makes burning body fat significantly harder for the rest of the day. Another major issue with sugary cereals is the lack of real satiety. Most cereals are low in protein and fiber, two nutrients that help you feel full and control appetite. As a result, hunger returns very quickly, often within 1 or 2 hours. This leads to constant snacking, strong cravings for more carbs or sugar, and overeating later in the day, even if total calories don't seem excessive. Over time, regularly eating sugary cereals trains your body to rely on quick sugar for energy instead of using stored fat. This creates a cycle of energy spikes and crashes that makes weight loss feel frustrating and inconsistent. Instead of supporting fat loss, sugary cereals disrupt blood sugar balance, increase cravings, and silently slow progress, making them one of the worst breakfast choices if your goal is to lose weight. Number 2. White bread. White bread is one of the most common foods that quietly blocks weight loss. It's made from refined flour, where most of the fiber, vitamins, and minerals have been removed. Because of this, white bread digests very quickly and is rapidly converted into glucose in the bloodstream. This causes a sharp spike in blood sugar and insulin. And when insulin levels are high, your body immediately shifts from fat-burning mode to fat storage mode. Another major issue with white bread is how little it satisfies hunger. Without fiber or meaningful protein, it doesn't keep you full for long. Hunger returns quickly, leading to snacking and overeating throughout the day. This constant rise and fall in blood sugar increases cravings for more carbohydrates and makes it extremely difficult to control portions or maintain a calorie deficit. Over time, frequent consumption of white bread trains your body to depend on fast carbohydrates instead of using stored fat for energy. This not only slows weight loss, but can also increase belly fat and energy crashes. Even when total calories seem controlled, white bread can silently stall progress and keep you stuck, making it a poor choice if fat loss is your goal. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more content like this. Number 3. Fried foods. Fried foods are one of the most damaging choices if your goal is weight loss. During the frying process, foods absorb large amounts of oil, which dramatically increases their calorie content without increasing fullness. This means you can consume a very high number of calories in a short time while still feeling hungry. Many fried foods are also cooked in low-quality oils that promote inflammation and negatively affect metabolic health. Another major issue with fried foods is their impact on insulin sensitivity. The combination of refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats makes it harder for your body to manage blood sugar efficiently. Poor insulin sensitivity forces the body to release more insulin, which blocks fat burning and encourages fat storage. Over time, this makes losing weight increasingly difficult, even when you're eating fewer calories overall. Fried foods also increase cravings and disrupt appetite control. They stimulate the brain's reward system, making you want more salty and processed foods throughout the day. This creates a cycle of overeating, energy crashes, and stalled fat loss. When fried foods are eaten regularly, they slow metabolism, increase belly fat, and make long-term weight loss far more challenging. Number 4. Creamy sauces. Creamy sauces are one of the most overlooked reasons people struggle to lose weight, mainly because they're rarely counted as real calories. Sauces like creamy dressings, rich pasta sauces, and heavy gravies are extremely calorie-dense, meaning just a small amount can add hundreds of calories to a meal without providing any real fullness. This makes it very easy to exceed your daily calorie needs even when the main food looks healthy. Another major problem with creamy sauces is portion control. They are often poured, mixed, mixed or drizzled freely without measuring, which leads to silent calorie overload. Because these sauces are designed to be rich and flavorful, they stimulate appetite rather than satisfy it, encouraging larger portions and repeated use throughout the day. Over time, frequent consumption of creamy sauces makes maintaining a calorie deficit extremely difficult. They add excess fat and calories without contributing meaningful nutrients or satiety, slowing fat loss and making progress feel inconsistent. Even with clean meals and regular exercise, creamy sauces can quietly stall weight loss and keep you stuck without an obvious reason. Number 5. Processed snack foods. Processed snack foods are one of the biggest obstacles to weight loss because they are specifically designed to be addictive. These products combine refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and salt in a way that overrides your body's natural hunger and fullness signals. As a result, it becomes extremely easy to eat large quantities without feeling satisfied, leading to a rapid increase in calorie intake. Another major issue with processed snacks is their lack of real nutrition. They provide very little protein, fiber, or essential nutrients, which means your body doesn't register them as proper food. Instead of feeling full, hunger returns quickly, pushing you to keep snacking throughout the day. This constant grazing makes it nearly impossible to maintain a calorie deficit, even when meals appear controlled. Over time, regularly eating processed snack foods disrupts appetite regulation and increases cravings for more refined carbs and salty foods. This creates a cycle of overeating, energy crashes, and stalled fat loss. Even small daily portions can silently slow progress and make long-term weight loss far more difficult. Number 6. Fruit juice. Fruit juice is one of the most misleading foods when it comes to weight loss, especially because it's often seen as a healthy choice. Even when it's labeled as 100% natural with no added sugar, juicing removes most of the fiber found in whole fruit. Without fiber to slow digestion, the natural sugars in fruit juice enter the bloodstream very quickly, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar and insulin. When insulin rises, fat burning shuts down, and the body shifts into fat storage mode. Another major issue with fruit juice is how poorly it satisfies hunger. Because it's consumed as a liquid, it doesn't require chewing and doesn't trigger fullness signals effectively. This allows you to drink a large number of calories in just a few seconds without feeling satisfied. As a result, you're likely to eat the same amount of food afterward, leading to excess calorie intake without realizing it. Over time, frequent fruit juice consumption trains your body to rely on sugar for quick energy instead of burning stored fat. This increases cravings, promotes belly fat, and makes appetite control more difficult throughout the day. Even though fruit itself can be part of a healthy diet, fruit juice works very differently in the body and can quietly stall weight loss if consumed regularly. Number 7. Pastries and baked goods. Pastries and baked goods are one of the fastest ways to slow or completely block weight loss. They are typically made with refined flour, added sugars, and unhealthy fats, a combination that causes sharp spikes in blood sugar and insulin. When insulin rises, your body shifts into fat storage mode, making it much harder to burn fat, even if your overall calorie intake doesn't seem excessive. Another major issue with pastries is how easy they are to overeat. These foods are highly palatable and digest quickly, which means they don't keep you full for long. Hunger returns soon after eating, leading to more snacking and stronger cravings for sugar later in the day. This cycle makes portion control extremely difficult and increases daily calorie intake without you noticing. Over time, frequent consumption of pastries and baked goods trains your body to crave refined carbs and sweets. This disrupts appetite regulation, increases belly fat, and makes long-term weight loss feel frustrating and inconsistent. Even occasional indulgence can slow progress if these foods appear regularly in your diet. Number 8. Sugary coffee drinks. Sugary coffee drinks are one of the most common hidden reasons people struggle to lose weight. While coffee itself can support fat burning, adding flavored syrups, sweetened creamers, and toppings turns it into a high-sugar beverage. These added sugars cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin, which immediately slow fat burning and push the body into fat storage mode. Another major problem with sugary coffee drinks is that they're consumed as liquids, which makes it easy to underestimate their calorie calorie content. A single flavored coffee can contain as many calories as a full meal, yet it doesn't provide the same feeling of fullness. This leads to unintentional calorie overload and makes it harder to maintain a calorie deficit throughout the day. Over time, regularly consuming sugary coffee drinks increases cravings for sweets and refined carbohydrates. It also disrupts appetite regulation and energy levels, leading to crashes later in the day. Even when meals are clean and portions are controlled, sugary coffee drinks can quietly stall weight loss and prevent consistent progress. Number 9. Frozen desserts. Frozen desserts are one of the most damaging foods for weight loss because they combine large amounts of sugar with highly processed fats. This combination causes a rapid spike in blood sugar and insulin, which immediately shuts down fat burning and pushes the body into fat storage mode. Even small portions can contain a high number of calories, making it very easy to exceed daily calorie needs without realizing it. Another major issue with frozen desserts is how they affect appetite control. The cold temperature delays fullness signals, so your brain doesn't register satiety right away. This leads to overeating, especially in the evening, when cravings are already higher. Regular consumption also increases sugar cravings, making it harder to stick to a balanced eating plan. Over time, frequently eating frozen desserts trains your body to crave quick sugar rather than burn stored fat for energy. This disrupts metabolism, promotes belly fat, and makes weight loss feel inconsistent and frustrating. Even occasional indulgence can slow progress if frozen desserts appear regularly in your diet. Number 10. White rice. White rice is one of the most commonly eaten foods in the world, but it can significantly slow weight loss when consumed frequently. It is a refined carbohydrate with most of its fiber removed, which means it digests very quickly and causes a rapid rise in blood sugar. This spike in blood sugar triggers insulin release, and when insulin levels are high, your body shifts from fat-burning mode to fat storage mode. Another major issue with white rice is how little it satisfies hunger. Because it contains very little fiber or protein, it doesn't keep you full for long. Hunger returns quickly after eating, leading to overeating and frequent snacking throughout the day. This makes it very difficult to maintain a calorie deficit, even when portion sizes appear reasonable. Over time, relying heavily on white rice trains your body to depend on fast carbohydrates for energy instead of using stored fat. This can increase belly fat, cause energy crashes, and stall long-term weight loss progress. While white rice can be enjoyed occasionally, eating it regularly can quietly slow fat loss and make results harder to achieve. If you truly want to lose weight and keep it off, avoiding these foods can make a massive difference, sometimes even more than exercise. Fat loss isn't just about eating less, it's about removing the foods that silently block progress. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment which food surprised you the most. Your support helps me bring you more honest, practical content every day.